The Heritage Foundation has filed a lawsuit against U.S. Department of Homeland Security to force them to release information surrounding Prince Harry's U.S. visa. Prince Harry's U.S. visa is facing further scrutiny after the Washington-based think tank, the Heritage Foundation, has filed a lawsuit against the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. The organization has called for the immediate publication of the royal's visa records after he admitted to drug use in his bombshell memoir, Spare. In the U.S. visa application, an admission of drug use is usually grounds for inadmissibility. The royal has previously said he used cocaine, mushrooms, and other drugs. The new court filing reads, widespread and continuous media coverage has surfaced the question of whether DHS properly admitted the Duke of Sussex in light of the fact that he has publicly admitted to the essential elements of a number of drug offenses in both the United States and abroad. United States law generally renders such a person inadmissible for entry to the United States. Intense media coverage has also surfaced the question of whether DHS may have improperly granted the Duke of Sussex a waiver to enter the country on a non-immigrant visa given his history of admissions to the essential elements of drug offenses. Finally, the media coverage has surfaced the question of whether DHS' decision to admit the Duke of Sussex into the United States should be reconsidered in light of the Duke of Sussex's most recent admissions to the essential elements of numerous drug offenses both here and abroad. In his 2023 memoir, Spare, Harry could see his visa revoked after admitting to using drugs in a televised therapy session. Piers Morgan pointed out, speaking to famed therapist Dr. Gabor Mate for his program The Myth of Normal, Trauma, Illness, and Healing in a Toxic Culture, Prince Harry said he started using drugs after realizing they helped him cope with his trauma. The presenter said, Harry has barely finished the global family trashing tour in support of his treacherous family trashing memoir. Inevitably, he's decided the world hasn't heard quite enough from him. So Harry's latest wheeze is a live therapy session with Dr. Gabor Mate, a famed trauma expert, in which he reminded us again that he, Harry, is the world's biggest victim, discussing his relationship with drugs. The Duke of Sussex told Dr. Mate, I started doing it recreationally and then started to realize how good it was for me. I would say it is one of the fundamental parts of my life that changed me and helped me deal with the traumas and the pains of the past.